The 2011 Patriot. The Jeep Patriot is unmistakably a Jeep. It looks like a cross between a Jeep Liberty and Jeep Compass, or maybe a 3/4 scale version of the big Jeep Commander. The Patriot has plenty of room inside for any size family. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: premium wheels, keyless entry, stability control, anti-lock braking system, heated seats, navigation system, CD changer, 4-wheel drive, leather-wrapped steering wheel, moonroof, dual airbags, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, power steering, driver lumbar, driver airbag, adjustable steering wheel, air conditioning, front, 4-wheel ABS, front floor mats, 4-wheel disc brakes. Your new ride is just a phone call away.